Upgrading your Harley-Davidson's air cleaner is the cornerstone of a Stage 1 upgrade. It allows your V-twin engine to breathe freely, correcting the lean factory air-fuel ratio when paired with a new exhaust and tuner. This guide evaluates the best options on the market, focusing on airflow efficiency, build quality, backing plate material, leg clearance. Product number 1. Engine air filter, high performance. For riders who want the performance benefits of a Stage 1 upgrade without altering the classic silhouette of their factory air cleaner cover, the high-performance engine air filter, typically a K&N or similar high-flow drop-in, is the most logical starting point. Unlike the restrictive paper filters that come stock from the factory, these filters utilize a pleated cotton gauze media. This material is designed to be washed and re-oiled, meaning it's likely the last air filter you will ever need to buy for your bike. The primary appeal here is stealth performance. You get a significant bump in airflow, essential for feeding a motor with slip-on mufflers, without the intake noise becoming overbearing. Because it fits inside the stock housing, your bike retains its original aesthetic, and the filter remains protected from heavy rain and road grime without needing a cumbersome rain sock. Installation is effortless. It is a true drop-in replacement that takes less than 5 minutes. While it may not offer the massive air volume of an exposed cone filter, it provides a substantial improvement over stock restriction. For the daily commuter or the touring rider who prioritizes reliability and weather protection over flashiness, this high-performance replacement element is the unsung hero of the Stage 1 world. Product number 2. Big Sucker High-Flow Stage 1 Red Air Cleaner Filter Intake for Harley. The Big Sucker High-Flow Stage 1 with the exposed red filter is perhaps the most iconic image of a Harley performance upgrade. This kit is designed for the rider who wants to show off the mechanical heart of their machine. By exposing the filter element, you are essentially uncorking the engine, allowing air to be pulled in from the entire perimeter rather than just a small snorkel. The red filter media isn't just for looks. It typically signifies a pre-oiled cotton construction that captures dust particles while maximizing throughput. Riders will immediately notice a deeper, throatier intake roar when twisting the throttle, a sound that harmonizes perfectly with aftermarket exhausts. The increased air volume translates to snappier throttle response and a noticeable gain in mid-range torque. One of the key engineering features of the Big Sucker line is the integrated backing plate. Unlike cheaper knockoffs that use messy external hoses, this system routes crankcase breathers directly into the intake tract for a clean, hose-free look. It's a complete kit that usually replaces the bulky plastic stock backing plate with a rigid assembly. If you were looking for that aggressive hot rod look and the performance to back it up, this exposed red filter setup is the industry standard. Product number 3. 18458 Billet Sucker Stage 1 Air Filter Kit, Smooth Steel, Red Filter. The Arlen Ness 18458 Billet Sucker takes the proven performance of the standard Big Sucker and elevates it with premium materials and finish. While standard kits might use cast aluminum, the billet designation here points to a higher level of machining and finish quality. The smooth steel cover offers a clean, minimalist aesthetic that works beautifully on custom builds where chrome or polished billet is the dominant theme. This specific kit, 18458, features a chrome finish that is durable and resistant to pitting, a crucial factor for riders who don't shy away from the elements. The smooth cover cap hides the central mounting bolt, giving the intake a sleek, uninterrupted appearance. Underneath, it utilizes the same patented hidden breather technology that Arlen Ness is famous for. This eliminates the need for banjo fittings and external hoses, ensuring that oil mist is recycled cleanly without leaking onto your cam cover. Performance-wise, the red filter element provides high-flow filtration, and the radiused air inlet built into the backing plate smooths out turbulent air before it enters the throttle body. This results in smoother acceleration and consistent power delivery. It is a premium option for the rider who views their motorcycle as a piece of jewelry and refuses to compromise on finish quality. Product number 4, cold air intake system, high flow air filter. Often referred to as a heavy breather or elbow-style intake, the cold air intake system represents the most aggressive end of the airflow spectrum. Physically extending outward from the engine with a 90-degree elbow, this design serves a functional purpose. It moves the air filter away from the scorching heat of the cylinder heads. By capturing denser, cooler air, your engine can generate more power more efficiently. These systems are favored by performance junkies and dyno tuners. The forward-facing conical filter acts like a ram air scoop at highway speeds, forcing a massive volume of air into the engine. The visual impact is undeniable. It gives any Harley a muscular, drag-strip stance. Most kits in this category include a water-repellent rain sock, which is highly recommended if you get caught in a downpour, as the filter is fully exposed to the elements. A consideration for this style is leg clearance. Because the intake protrudes further than a standard round filter, riders with shorter legs should check the dimensions to ensure their right knee doesn't constantly bump the filter housing. However, for those chasing maximum horsepower numbers and a distinct, aggressive look, this cold air intake system delivers raw performance that standard flat filters can't match. Product number 5. 18-306 Big Sucker Stage 1 Air Filter Kit with cover, smooth black. The Arlen Ness 18-306 Big Sucker is the definitive stealth bomber of air cleaners. Finished in a rich, wrinkle black or smooth black texture, it is designed to blend seamlessly with the blacked-out engine cases found on modern dynos, softails, and touring models. This kit is the perfect solution for riders who want the performance of a Stage 1 open intake, but prefer a darker, more understated aesthetic over flashy chrome. The smooth cover refers to the outer cap, which provides a clean, finished look while still leaving the perimeter of the filter exposed for maximum airflow. This balance keeps large debris out while letting the engine breathe freely. Like its chrome siblings, the 18-306 utilizes the single-piece aluminum backing plate with integral breathers. This engineering is superior to stock plastic backplates, which can warp over time and cause intake leaks. The filter element in this kit is washable and reusable, designed to last the life of the bike. The black finish is particularly good at hiding road grime and brake dust, keeping your bike looking cleaner for longer between washes. It is a rugged, high-performance workhorse that delivers the legendary Arlen Ness reliability in a package that looks mean and performs even meaner.